Live.
Hey everybody! We are coming to you live from the Simply Made Local Craft Room.
Hi,
it's Abby,
Ryan,
and Ryan. We just wanted to come to you today to make a little bit of an announcement. I know that there's just been so much craziness going on this week that we just wanted to check in with you and let you know that it's Sunday. We are still in our craft room
away.
And we are crafting away. Business is normal. You know, all things aside, we know that this is a crazy time for some people, and our hearts and our thoughts go out to anyone who has been affected by this outbreak. We want to thank you to all first responders and people nurses especially, we are nurses,
yes.
You know, that are just in overtime right now and working hard to keep us safe. So thank you to all of you. And we just want to let you know that we are still planning on being open as normal. We know that a lot of small businesses are being affected right now from social distancing. And we just want to let you know that we are here for you. Marketplaces are being canceled. Craft shows are being postponed. I know that we were supposed to be at a craft show this weekend.
Yes, we were supposed to be at the Pinners Conference in Pomona this weekend, and we had worked so hard, which I'm sure all of you who do the craft show circuit know how hard it is to get a booth set up. And ours had a beautiful interactive wall. I'm just very thankful that they didn't cancel it completely. It is postponed until May 15th and 16th, and they are still going to honor everyone's tickets. So make sure you come back and see us then. We are so excited to connect with all of you makers and buyers and just really get out there and meet you all and let you know exactly who we are and what we are, because we're really excited. And speaking of pinners, we have been boosting up our Pinterest boards because we know you guys are stuck at home with your kiddos because school's out for like a month. And so I was up very late last night making sure those kids crafts boards were on point. So please go check us and follow us out. Follow us there.
Get some good ideas. And we've also been posting some kid craft ideas for you and for Easter. And we're just going to continue to put that content out. If you subscribe to our newsletter, be sure to check your email over the next couple days. We are going to be sending out a couple new updates. Also, we're going live with our premium content for our premium members this week. So if you are a premium member at Simply Made Local, we're going to be sending out some premium content. We're going to go dive a little deeper into an app that we use. And we're going to share some secrets with you on what we use for some marketing strategies. So be sure to check that out. That is one of the really cool benefits of being a premium member at Simply Made Local. And I know that this time is really affecting a lot of small businesses. So Simply Made Local is here to help you. If you are someone who owns a small business and you've been affected by the postponing and the canceling of marketplaces, know that we are here to support you. We are makers supporting makers. That is our drive. And you can come over to simplymadelocal.com. You can use code Handmade at sign up and select premium membership, and you can experience our marketplace where you can upload your products, have unlimited listings, product photos and messaging, and unlimited conversations. So if that's something that you need right now, please feel free to come on over. If we can help any of you guys in any way, we are here, we are available. You can email us directly at support@simplymadelocal.com and let us know how can we help you out during this time, because we will still want us all to succeed.
Yes, we want to help you as much as we can. We will help you with advertising ideas, any extra support that we can give you. We are here for you, so please let us know.
So be sure to, again, check your email if you're subscribed to us. If not, you can head over to Facebook. We have a page, Simply Made Local. Check us out. On that left-hand side, there is a spot there to subscribe now. So head over there. We also have a crafting group. It's called Simply Made Local, All Things Crafty, where we're just kind of a forum for all sorts of crafters to come on, post your things, get ideas. So we are available to support you there as well. and that's us. So keep checking us out, keep supporting us so that we can support you. And business as normal over here at Simply Made Local.
Wash your hands.
So everybody stay safe, have a great week, and we'll be checking back in soon. Bye.